Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Instagram's distinctions. Profile name, display accepts emoji while username may not. Open your mobile app because editing is easiest there. Go to Edit Profile now. Choose 2-3 emojis that reflect your brand and remain legible at thumbnail size, and copy them into your clipboard. Once done, paste an emoji into the name field, then add your text around it. This first step gets you into the flow and prevents accidental username lockouts later. Now refine how the emoji interacts with your words. You want visual balance, so test placing the emoji at the start, middle, and end. Each conveys a different emphasis. Make sure to use subtle spacing, standard spaces, narrow spaces, or a zero-width joiner to prevent awkward wrapping. Once you've placed them, check your profile on smaller screens and in search results to ensure legibility. If text alignment shifts, adjust spacing and reduce emoji. Count to keep your name clean and scannable. Finish by saving your updated name and immediately inspecting how it appears in feeds and search. You should confirm that the emoji didn't get stripped or replace important characters. If the emoji disappears, clear the app cache, log out and back in, or try editing from another device. This often resolves sync issues. Make sure you keep a plain text backup name in case of display problems, and avoid emojis that could be flagged or misinterpreted by moderation systems to prevent future removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.